How to create shapes in Figma. So let's get started. First, let's head over to your Figma application just like this, and you can basically click on any of the project and start a project, and you can also click on keyboard shortcuts like R or T to simply quickly create a rectangle shape, or T to quickly insert a text option over here. Or another thing what you can also do is you just head over to this section over here, which is the shape section. You can simply tap on this to use different shape tools like polygon, star, or rectangle. So let me just quickly create it. And you can also actually give the color to that particular shapes so that you can differentiate between these shapes. So let me just quickly give another color to the particular shape, just like this, like a triangle. So you can also import other shapes like star, etc. So that's all how you can easily do that, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.